Hello and welcome back. Congratulations. If you're watching this video right now, I'm positive you have gone through all the other videos, which are prompt engineering, content creation, Copilot for students, for teachers, for HR, for L&D professionals, for project management, for service applications, data analysis, coding, and using AI responsibly. This is the last module, Copilot Capstone project. But learning is only valuable when you can apply it, right? So that's why this final module is different. Today, you will complete a real-world capstone project where you use Microsoft Copilot to solve a business problem from start to finish. This project combines everything you have learned through the course. So let's begin. So what's a capstone project? A capstone project is a practical project that demonstrates your ability to apply skills in a real-world scenario. Think of it as your final exam. So instead of answering questions, you'll build complete business solution using Microsoft Copilot. By end of this module, you learn professional portfolio project, real-world Copilot experience, practical business outputs, confidence using AI professionally. Our objective in this module is apply prompt engineering, solve business problems, create professional documents, analyze information, build presentation, generate reports, create learning programs, develop business solutions, demonstrate AI productivity skills, complete a professional capstone project. So the scenario, imagine you're hired as an AI productivity consultant. A company called Future Tech Solutions has approached you for help. The company is experiencing declining customer satisfaction, high employee turnover, inconsistent customer service, lack of employee training, poor performance reporting. Senior management wants a complete improvement plan. Your job, use Microsoft Copilot to create the solution. Your prompt could be act as a business consultant. Analyze the following organizational challenges: declining customer satisfaction, high employee turnover, poor training effectiveness, inconsistent customer service. And then you also type identify root causes, business risks, improvement opportunities. Your expected output should be problem analysis, root cause report, strategic recommendations. For stakeholder analysis, your prompt can be act as a project manager, identify key stakeholders for an org improvement project, include stakeholder groups, influence level, interest level, engagement strategy. Deliverable stakeholder analysis matrix that you should get. Now, customer service improvement. Your prompt can be act as a customer experience manager, create a comprehensive customer service improvement plan, include current state analysis, service standards, training requirements, quality metrics, implementation timeline. Deliverables is going to be customer service strategy, service standards document, implementation plan. You can make up the RCA and data out here just to see how the Copilot would work and what results you're going to get. For employee training program, your prompt can be act as a learning and development manager, design a 90-day employee development program to improve customer service skills, communication, problem solving, technology proficiency. Include learning objectives, weekly schedule, training methods, assessment criteria. Deliverable should be 90-day training program, weekly learning schedule, and assessment framework. Data analysis and reporting. The prompt can be act as data analyst, create a performance dashboard framework for Future Tech Solutions, identify key performance indicators, data sources, reporting frequency, visualization recommendation, insight interpretation guide. Your deliverable should be KPI framework, dashboard design, performance report template. For executive presentation, Your prompt can be act as a strategic communications director. Create a 10-slide executive presentation summarizing the complete improvement plan for future tech solutions. You can include problem summary, strategic recommendations, implementation roadmap, expected outcomes, success metrics, next steps. Your deliverable should be executive presentation deck here. Then you can probably use Gamma as well to personalize your deck. So let me know if you're able to complete this. Go ahead and put that in the comment section. And if the video was helpful, the series was helpful, then go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe, and share with the family, friends. You're watching Language Nerds India. Thank you for watching the video, and I will see you in the next series that we're working on Six Sigma Black Belt. Don't forget to subscribe and learn Six Sigma with me.